I have the war. I want war president. Because you're president, you are Satan. You are pastor, fake prophet. You are Satan. In six wall, all the above. You know, it's very true. Because Ukraine and Russia is finished. Napanood nyo, di ba? Nakakatakot. Dinadaalan silang tangkid dikira. Ang katawan ng tao ay nadudurog. You're not feeling the building about the earthquake. Lahat yan, putol-putol yung katawan niya. I mean, imagine, your eyes, your body, ang kamay mo naputol napunta sa Japan. Ang ulo mo naputol napunta sa US. Ang large intestine mo naputol pumunta sa sea. So, how to protect your body? This word, Uncle word is very scary and very devastated because material is so crazy. Salamin, lahat ng mga bakal na yan tatama sa ulo nyo. Kaya ngayon pa lang, people, suicide, your choice.